Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's nice and rested up after the holidays and getting ready for the new year. So guys, we have got a couple of spoilers for a BoxyCharm box. Now, I'm not sure which box it is and exactly which month, but as soon as I find that out, I will correct it down there in the comments, so be watching out for that. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button and your notification bell. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which is showing you how I get volume with a flat iron. Congratulations, Alexis Loper. Alexis says, hey girl. Well, hey Alexis, honey, how are you doing? I'm so glad to see you down in the comments, and I appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now these 2 products that they showed, now I found this on BoxyCharm News on Instagram. These are 2 products that look amazing. They are very unique products, so I'm really happy to see them in a BoxyCharm box. And again, as soon as they reveal which month they're coming in and which exact box, I will update you down there in the comments, or I'll just put out another video. But let me go ahead and show you the first product and quit running my mouth. I know that's what y'all are ready for me to do. Anyway, now it was shown on Instagram which one of these products would you pick. So this could be part of the choice items. I'm not exactly sure. Again, I'll update you down in the comments, or I'll just update the video. So the first thing is the 111 Skin. This is the Pollution Defense Booster. Now this is a really cool looking product, y'all. So you mix 1 to 2 drops of this in your moisturizer, or you can directly apply it to your face right after washing it. Now it shields skin against damage caused by blue light and free radicals, enhancing skin's health. So that looks like a really neat product, and you know that is a very expensive product, so it's possibly going to be BoxyLuxe, but again, I'll let y'all know when I find out. Now the next thing is a brand I've never heard of, a product that is so unique, it is the first of its kind. This is the Moon Play Cosmetics Hyper Flash Powder Highlighting Mixing Powder. Now it's also called the Stroboscope Hyper Flash Orb Powder, and again, it's the first of its kind. I don't know exactly what you do with it, but it's got rainbow reflex technology and all kinds of stuff, y'all. So I don't know if you mix this with another highlight or what, but it's some kind of mixer. You might put it in your foundation. I don't know. Who knows what this thing does, but it looks so neat, y'all. This is something everybody's going to want to get. So again, guys, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers and or they confirm these 2 products, I will let you guys know. You know, I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Twinning It. Twinning It says, I hope I'm first. Oh, Twinning It, honey, you was really fast. Trust me, honey, you come in second. So I just had to pick your comment for at least attempting and trying. Girl, you are fast, and I appreciate all the support, honey. I hope your holidays have went well. I love you, girls. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. Guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.